you've heard the term countersteering, I'll show you what it means on the motorcycle, at what speeds it works and what speeds it doesn't. At really slow speeds, you steer your motorcycle, meaning you push it and point the steering wheel in the direction you want to go. So if I don't have a lot of speed, I can make a U-turn or do whatever I wanted really slowly like this. Just turn your wheel. At a certain speed though, when you're going around corners really fast, countersteering comes into play. As you start to speed up, you can actually turn the handlebar the opposite way that you want to go to take a corner. So if I'm going like 45 or 50 and I go to steer into the corner, it's going to make me crash and fly off the road or into the other lane. It's opposite above a certain speed. So I'm going to hit my cruise control, and rather than turning the handlebars, I'm going to push on the handlebar, and you're going to see which way I'm pushing on the handlebar. It's opposite than the way the motorcycle's turning, and that's what countersteering is. So I'm going to let the video go. I won't be able to talk, but you're going to see what's happening when I take these corners. So hopefully you saw by that demonstration that when I take a right-hand corner, I'm not pulling on the bar, which would be steering it that direction. I'm actually pushing on the bar. And that would make the handlebar point that way, but it brings the bike down into the corner. You can use it to pick yourself up out of corners also. But that's the way countersteering works above a certain speed to help you corner. So if you're going on your street bike and you're going around corners really fast and you can't make the corner, that's why. Now, here we are slow again. This is where I would turn my handlebar because you're going so slow. So anyway, those are the tips. Hopefully I made that so you could understand it. Get out there on your motorcycle, get going the speed you normally would, like 40 or 50 in like some faster corners, and actually just push on your bar and see what it does. And you'll know by pushing on it how it reacts to which way you're going to go. So even at the slow speed, if I push the bar that way, it'll go this way. And that's really good for dodging things too, because if you just lean your motorcycle over, you'll lean it really far, but it takes really long for it to turn. When you countersteer into a corner, you can make it react quicker and faster with more precision. So hopefully those countersteering tips help you, and we'll see you on the next